everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can get a bounce effects for your text on your video with the Capcut application. Open your video project and now you just need to tap into the text right away and then just tap into add text. And now just need to add the text that you want to have for your video here. You can make or style in it. I would like to make it more intense, and for the color you can also change it into the color, or you can use this type of animation or template that already provided by the Capcut itself. Okay, perfect. And the next thing you need to do is just go right away, jump into the animation, and now you just need to go click loop, because the bounce could be stay into the loop side, and then you just need to like slowly scrolling down into until you found the bounce effect. So there could be several effects that I can suggest you. The first one is this jiggle, because this jiggle can make your text look bouncy, and then you can just go make it like slow for this bit here, so that it could be like that. It looks like bouncy, and then just go scrolling a little bit down, and there could be a wobble that also can make it like looks bouncy. And the third one could be the dance, and you'll see now your text is dancing and it looks like bouncy. And now we just need to go with checklist button and apply this into the specific durations that you're willing to have, and this is for the result. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again in two other tutorials.